Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Can-Am Maverick XRS Turbo R. We've got a new product update for you. This is a new street legal kit option from Motorsports. We have these available and in stock here at Big Pine Sports. You can see that with this kit, it does replace these cool fangs here. You do have your daytime visibility running lights there. And we have also added the turn signal mirror kit, as you see here. Let's go over the functionality. What I love about the Ryco kit is it's very clean, very good looking. Put the lever down to signal left. It does tie up into the stock dash. You see the arrow flashing there. How does it work? That is a piece of art right there, you guys. Very cool, very bright, very good looking, very custom. And the mirror. This is two separate part numbers. So the kit comes with the lever, as you see here. It comes with the horn, as you see there. It comes with the accent lights, as you see there. The mirrors themselves are a separate part number. I absolutely love how the Ryco kit integrates into the stock tail lights, utilizing all of those bright LEDs in the stock tail light. You can also see it comes with the license plate mounting hardware as well as an LED to illuminate the plate at night. You also have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on the red lever. You see the indicator arrows there up on the dash. And that is good looking from the front. If you've got an X3 and you're wanting to stand out from everybody else, this is how you do it. And a look from the back. Very nice. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also have a link in the description of the video where you can go and purchase these kits online. What do you guys think of the kit? You saw it here first at Big Pine Sports. More info to come, more products to come. If you're wanting a product for your machine that you can't find, hit us up. We'll either find it or get it made for you. When you go to release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever and it'll reset it. There you have it. 435-427-3338. As always, have a great day, everybody.